According to the Mandatory Medical Insurance Fund, more than 500,000 preferential prescriptions have been issued to the insured category of the population in Kyrgyzstan since the beginning of the year. According to the operational data for 6 months of 2021, 586,200 preferential prescriptions of compulsory medical insurance were issued to the insured category of the population, where the amount of compensation to pharmacies that signed an agreement with the compulsory medical insurance fund amounted to 130 million soms, the department reported. It is noted that in terms of the number of prescriptions written, the first place belongs to the Osh region, which is 29% of the total number and 32.2 million soms of compensation. The second in Bishkek, 17% and 24 million soms. The third in Jalalabad region, 17%, but 23.1 million soms of refunds. The fund also recalled that in all regions of the Republic, except for the Naryn and Batken regions, medicines are dispensed by electronic prescriptions.